This is questions 10, 23, 28 and 30 from exercise 1.4 in Project Maths 2. We have to factorize each of the following. Now, we'll look to question 10 as our example to start with. So, between 4p squared and minus 9q squared, there is no highest common factor. There's no way to go about factorizing them by grouping, and there's no way to go about factorizing them as a quadratic trinomial because there are only two terms. So what we have here is going to be something different. Now what we need to be able to recognize from this is that 4 and 9 are both perfect squares. 4 is 2 squared and 9 is 3 squared. And p squared and q squared are obviously perfect squares. So what we have here is a difference of two squares. The first term could be written as 2p all squared. And the second term could be written as 3q all squared. And once we've gotten this far, the factors of this are going to be 2p minus 3q multiplied by 2p plus 3q. And that's that. That is as easy as that gets. So let's look at 23 and we'll do the same thing again. We're going to rewrite our first term. Instead of 25x squared, we're going to write 5x all squared. And then instead of 16y squared, we're going to write 4y all squared, which means that our factors to this are going to be 5x minus 4y multiplied by 5x plus 4y, like that. Now we'll look at 28. 28 is a little less obvious as a difference of two squares, but it is still definitely that. 1 can be rewritten as 1 squared, and minus 196x squared can be written as 14x all squared. Now, if for some reason you didn't know what the square root of 196 was off the top of your head, you can check it on your calculator by pressing the square root button, 196, and equals. And your calculator will tell you that the square root of 196 is 14. So from this we're going to have 1 minus 14x multiplied by 1 plus 14x, like that. And then for our last one, it looks a little bit inconvenient, but it's going to work with the exact same rules. A squared b squared can be rewritten as ab all squared, and 2c squared can be, or 4c squared can be rewritten as 2c all squared. So our factorization for that is going to be ab minus 2c multiplied by ab plus 2c. And that is that.